Hey guys, I came up to look for a cat. Cats were here. I saw a possum somewhere. I don't know where. Oh, there it is. Right. It's a possum there. And I'm very scared. I wonder if it's scared of me. Hey buddy. Barely make it out. There it is. Don't want to flash it too long, but it's right there. It's actually pretty cool. See? It's actually pretty cool. Hey buddy. I don't know if he wants to kill me. Hey buddy. Freaking possum. I wish it was in a light area. I don't like to flash it. But don't want to go to the porch. Right, that's one more time. See? It's a possum. Unique. It's weird. I thought it was a cat at first. Possum. Unique change of tone. See the tail? Sorry I can't see it much. It's in the dark and my phone is not that light. I'm gonna leave it alone now.